Go. Okay. Don't freak out, Steven. Don't freak out, Steven.
It sounds like you're freaking out. We're not gonna be using that.
Our CPU right here. It's all locked in here. So the way this works.
It's kind of heavy.
Is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's our box. No, we have. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab. There's our little. Look at it, beautiful i5. There it is.
Oh my god, dude, I'm so scared.
The way this works is we're gonna go ahead with it.
I don't want to drop it, bro.
Stop shaking. Oh my god, you're shaking so much. Yeah, put it down.
Magic.
Alright,
So the
put it down.
black thing's just gonna pop off.
Wait, I don't take it off
Like
beforehand?
that?
Yeah.
No, you don't take it off before it just pops off.
Oh, I'm scared.
It just pops off.
Yeah, I'm scared.
No,
It's like
you don't
it
take it
seems
off
pretty
before it
tough.
just
Yeah.
pops off.
Throw it away, man.
There it is. It pops off. It's like magic. I don't even know how this happens. It's like
There, and then just
I
put
think
it
what
under, and it
does
should
is
just
like
pop up.
actually,
Yep.
like,
Okay,
it's
did it right. Let's
it
go.
actually ages you. Like you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
First
First
step
thing
done.
here.
That's why
First
I'm so
step
young,
done.
because of
Woo!
all the years.
Next thing I know for a fact is the RAM.
Okay, I'll get that for you.
Now we're gonna seal. Oh, this is not sealed. I don't know why that made that
That's
sound.
such a lag.
That was such a lag. That was like a
Yeah.
loud.
Like,
Yeah.
the click from the motherboard and
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna go from here,
You want to do the other one?
going like this. There we go. That seems
There you
better.
go.
Okay.
There you go. Good.
Is
Good
it?
boy. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, so we got that in.
Okay,
Let's
yes.
start M.2 real quick.
Step 2, donezo.
I mean, like,
Yeah.
little, like,
My
what's the
M.2.
difference between
This is what's
And then your
nice.
SSD.
little break in the in the PCB just like that.
I'm so shaky. Oh my god. Alright, no more playtime. No more playtime.
Driver.
Yeah, you have to press a little bit until like this yellow thing is in there.
Oh,
Maybe
that
go.
won't happen. That won't happen.
now you're just doubting yourself.
I don't want it. Like, we'll play games and do that stuff. We'll make sure there's always. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our super
Is
tiny
it-
screw.
Oh wait, it's up here.
Driver.
Oh, it is up there.
Oh my god. So okay, so let's try this one more time.
What thing we- Oh, there we go.
There we
There
go.
we go. There we go. Yeah, I think
Motherboard
that should be
is
fine.
completed.
Hey, where's my diving man?
He didn't come
Okay.
out today. He didn't come out today. He didn't come out to play.
Just like those things that if it's untightened, you should know. Pass this on to you.
Bill,
So
just
I have to take the.
Those
Okay, so it's back here.
has been cheaper.
We gotta take these stuff out.
Yeah, and again, that's
Then
true. That's what I.
It should just come off. Yep.
It's like you've already seen
And
things.
put
Now,
it
one
up.
thing about this build is right here in the back,
Oh,
it comes with, here is your other micro, your other thing, so it just
Here's my
pops in
thing.
there. It's stored in the back. You don't need it just as an FYI. If
Will this
you're
go here?
looking
Yeah.
for your other,
oh, that's nice. This feels nice. ASMR.
Thank you.
your other, pretty simple case. All your little stock, all your little components and
Right.
stuff are in the back here, just as an FYI.
They're just loading.
So it comes with a bag. Oops,
Where's my
that just
finger
dropped.
Now you're
pointing
throwing
at?
stuff.
Oh.
Oh, the top one
Our
and the bottom one.
We're going to quickly remove the ones that we need for our GPU, of which I don't think I needed two, but I took two out just in case. Okay, so we're good there. And now from there we can install our motherboard.
Okay. So 2 of these.
And now from there we can install our motherboard.
Sure, are those two?
Top down.
Yeah, he took both
Well,
of
actually,
those out.
before we do this,
That way. Just yeah,
Like
the other
this?
way, the other way, the other way. No.
Because the cursor's like this, and it's supposed to be like. Or how?
No, I think this goes on the back. This goes right here.
Oh, this goes. Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So
Like
a little,
that?
a little bit right here.
I can see just
A
you know,
little
it's
bit right
tiny.
there. And then there you go. So. And then. Boom. How's this sound?
That's tight.
Yeah.
That's good.
building that has to go with this, which is pretty
Okay,
fun.
so. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Thermal paste.
I'm
Oh,
sure
it's
that's
so
not
heavy.
common.
It's a
This
heavy
is if you
dude.
want to put real quick.
You work tomorrow, right?
So
So you
it
got to
should
get this
be
done by tomorrow.
Today.
By today, I
Inside
mean.
this one.
Mhm.
But seriously,
You're not supposed to put too much, because then.
Alright, so I might need your help on this one. Do you want to do it?
Not really. I'm shaking. Oh my god, okay.
Sweet.
And you could just like pop it on there. You're supposed to do it quick before it dries out.
I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know.
I think you are.
Got it. Okay, there we go. And let's zoom out a little bit so you can see that. We'll do the halfway build after the halfway giveaway after this. Because now that we've added a cooler, that feels like a good place to do the halfway.
I don't understand.
Okay, so we're gonna start. It's still there.
Oh, did I do it backwards? Oh, dude, I think I did it backwards. I did this backwards. Oh my god.
I'm on front.
Is this the end?
Yeah, but I
This
know.
is where it all goes wrong.
Okay. Alright.
If we mess up one more time, I think that's when we're in trouble.
Yeah, that's when we're in trouble.
Right now we're chilling, like the throne pace is clean.
What? What was that?
Is it in? Yeah, it is in. Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yep, it's in. Just a little bit more. I'll tell you when you can stop. I think you should stop now, and then afterwards, like once we're done screwing all them in, we can screw them fully in. You know? I think that one you can just screw it all the way if you want. And then we'll just screw the rest.
Is it even going in?
Try to put a little bit more pressure. No, it's like going in, but then out.
Stable.
It's stable.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Let's go.
Alright, yes. We got this one.
That was. I think that was the hardest part so
That
far.
was scary.
Yeah, that was
This-
extremely scary.
This is what's gonna kill me though, right here. Okay, so right, then he just puts the thing.
Okay, fan.
Hit my head on this.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm having a heart attack. This isn't even my PC. Oh my god.
Okay, so alright, so we gotta put it back in. Okay, it's in.
It's in. Okay.
Okay, it barely goes in there though. It just barely goes in there. Oh my god. Boom.
To this, we got like 30 minutes worth of just cable management.
To be honest.
And then set up the monitor, install Windows. Oh my god. We have a long night ahead of us. I don't care about the stuff, I just care about the build.
That's a great hit. It's a salami mommy. Oh, I need
No, oh, more up.
screws.
Here?
Right there, I think. You wanna look at it from over here? It's
Yeah.
easier.
I forgot. It's just a graphic card. Ooh, right there. Ooh. It's in.
It's in?
Yeah.
You don't have to push it in.
I don't think so.
It's already in?
Yeah, it's already in.
I pushed it in.
Oh.
It's off. Wait, what is this?
What? Oh shoot.
We're supposed to take that off. Yep.
Can we? Do you want to risk it? Can we do that? No, we can't. Okay.
Because it's simple as.
Okay. Hold on. I got an idea. What if we just cut it? What if we just improvise? Cut this shit off.
Why is this wiggling a lot?
Boom.
Why is this wiggling a lot? Oh my god, we could have taken it out.
Why is it still wiggling?
It is? No, but you heard the click right now. It
Yeah.
clicked.
So now it's stuck there?
Yeah, now it's stuck.
Why is it still wiggling? Was it like that before?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh.
It is 80 plus gold rated.
Oh, this one's 650 as well. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was 550. I was like, no, I don't. Should I get a 750 one?
Yeah, you probably should. Alright, hold the cables. It's so bad.
Look at
It's so stupid, bro.
It's so good. Look at it.
You know, now I know.
Oh my god, bro, I gotta work tomorrow. Oh my god. Nice. Yo, this is so nice. Oh, we did this, boys, girls. We did this. Oh my god, bro, I'm so proud of us, bro. And we still gotta put in the monitor and the keyboard. Oh, bro, yeah.